Good day, you're welcome to this section of mathematics. My name is Oame Kenneth and our topic is multiplication. Now, let's see multiplication as repeated addition. Before learning the meaning of multiplication, you must have mastered counting and adding numbers. You can even use your fingers to count numbers. When we think about multiplication, we usually think of the times table. In my opinion, you must understand what it means to multiply two numbers before using the times table. After you have understood the concept, then the times table are useful as a shortcut to carry out the calculations. But you must understand the concept first before you rely on the times table. Adding group of numbers. Now we have three groups of oranges on the screen, each of them 5. So I'm going to use them to explain multiplication. Essentially, to multiply number is to add group of a number. For example, if we have three groups of 5 oranges and we need to find the total number of oranges, we can either, number 1, add the oranges within each groups. Add the 3 sets of oranges. The first one, 5 plus another 5 plus another 5. Number 2, or we can multiply the number of groups by the number of oranges in one group. The number of groups of oranges we have here are 3. The number of oranges in each of these groups are 5. In brackets, 3 groups times 5 oranges. Number 3, 5 plus 5 plus 5 has the same meaning as 3 times 5. Now, knowing this concept will allow you to tackle the complex problem sums found in tests and exams. Let's take the times table for example. Students usually learn the 3 times table this way. 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, and so on. Using the idea of groups, we have 1 times 3 means that 3 will have to appear once. It is one group of 3. Next, 2 times 3. It means that 3 will have to appear twice, meaning 3 plus 3 equals 6. This is 2 groups of 3. Next, 3 times 3, it means that 3 will have to appear thrice, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. This is 3 groups of 3, and so on. So, if you know the answer to 3 times 4, that it is equal to 12, but cannot remember the answer to 4 times 4, you will just need to add 4 to 12 to get the answer, which is 16. Now, when you understand the concept of multiplication, during exams, you will still be able to find out the answers even without the times table. Now, I hope you're beginning to understand the concept of multiplication. Thinking in groups help you understand multiplication better. But that is not the only way to look at multiplication. Now, the other way, some say it is the only correct way, is multiplication as repeated addition. Now, let's look at something interesting, something very interesting. If you say 3 times 5, it is the same thing as 5 times 3. Let us look at this first example. 3 groups of 5. It means that you will have to add 3 5s, like 5 plus 5 plus 5, and it gives you 15. The same way, 5 groups of 3, it means that you have to add 5 threes, 5 threes, which is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is also equal to 15. Now, 3 groups of 5 has the same answer as 5 groups of 3. So, 3 times 5 equals 5 times 3. If you understand the concept, the sky is your limit in terms of multiplication. Now, for what we have just done, it means that when you multiply two numbers, the order of the numbers, or whichever number comes first, does not matter. The answer will still be the same. Now, with all what we have done together, I hope you have understood better the concept of multiplication. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have understood multiplication better. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, EduFirst TV, and click on the bell icon so that you will receive notification whenever we upload new videos.